welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful look today. So the first thing I did was to use an old wool. Yes, so I have to take out 4 by my left, then I cross it over with the other 3. Then guys, the next thing I did was to go ahead, then I have to go ahead to cut out the hair. Like I have to cut out my natural hair. Then when I was done cutting it off, the next thing I did was to pick up the attach, that is the wool. Then I now have to fix it and start braiding. So guys, as you can see, I was braiding so tight to the point where my hair stops. Then when we are the point where my hair stopped, then the next thing I did was to go ahead to start my loose braid. Like I really wanted it to be so loose that you are gonna love it, guys. So when I was done, braiding it loose to this point, then I have to go ahead to to lock it up. Then so I have to continue with this process. Like I have to go in like so, then I have to also braid tight. Then when I was done braiding tight to the point where my hair stops, then I have to loosen it. Then when it gets to the tip, I have to tighten it with the remaining part of the Brazilian wool. Then I kept going like that, step by step. Like this hair really is very easy to achieve, and trust me, within a few hours you're going to achieve this hair. So guys, keep watching.
It's been a lonely road. It's people with me still feel on my own. The days is blurred. It gets chaotic when I'm in that zone. These feelings flying. I push them down, but they keep growing up. Guess unlike me, one thing I say is I keep showing up. My hope is that one day I reach that point where things make sense, my soul intact. Sundays with family, shrimp and seasoned grits, the little joys in life, the reason why we never quit when lows attack. Just hold me closer when I ain't convinced. All alone, run back home. All alone, run back home. Love on me, love on me, love on me, yeah, love on me, love on me, love on me, love on me, yeah. Feeling like my life don't mean nothing, gotta know the truth. Feeling like my days been getting numbered, I ain't got the proof. Know that I get lost in my thoughts, trying to find a way. Know that I've been running for a long time, think I wanna stay around. Dark thoughts, gotta lay them down. Falling off, can't play around, can't wait around for no handouts. Even when it don't work out how I planned out, I know if I come home, I can find a soft place for me to stand down. Just love me. All alone, run back home. All alone, run
So I
back.
have to carefully pick the front hair because I don't really have much front hair like that, but I still have to take my time to braid the hair tight at the root. Then as you can see me do, I have to now loosen up the middle of the hair, and it's making it look so sweet and very loose. So when I was done braiding, the next thing I did was to trim the tip of the hair, then also trim the body of the hair. When I was done trimming, guys, the next thing I have to do was to smoothen the hair using a lighter. I have to smoothen the hair so that the hair will not lose. The next thing I did was to dip the hair in a very hot water off camera. And guys, when I was done dipping it in a hot water, I have to apply my styling mousse to smoothen the hair, after which I have to accessorize the hair. Like I have to add my accessories just to make the hair pop and look beautiful. And guys, this is the final look, and it's looking so sweet and lovely. This hairstyle is quite affordable. It's very easy to make, and it's very simple. Guys, you don't even spend more than 1,000 naira to achieve this look. So guys, I want you to please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment on this video. As you can see, this look is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing, and guys, my melanin is popping. So guys, that will be all for now, and thank you so much for always supporting us. Please share our videos to support us more. I love you and keep watching. Bye. Mwah.
Run back home, all alone, running. Run back home. Love on me, love on me, love on me, love on me, yeah, yeah. Love on me, love on me, love on me, love on me, yeah, yeah. Tell me what if tell me what if tell me what if you was on me.